Now, India and the United Kingdom have concluded a free trade agreement on Tuesday in a landmark deal that represents London's most significant post-Brexit pact that was finalized in the shadow of the US President Donald Trump's tariff increases. So the key highlights of this India-UK FTA are as follows. The trade deal aims to strengthen economic ties between India and the UK, making trade easier and reducing tariffs. It gives Indian businesses better access to UK markets across various sectors. 99% of Indian exports will enjoy zero duty, boosting trade value and economic growth. The agreement supports manufacturing and job creation, benefiting industries like textiles, marine products, leather, footwear, sports, goods, toys as well. And Indian goods will become more competitive in UK, helping businesses to grow. And the UK, in fact, has committed to major benefits for India's services sector, including IT, finance, professional services, even education. The FTA makes it easier for Indian professionals to work in the United Kingdom. It creates new opportunities for skilled Indian youth, especially in digital and financial services. And Indian workers in the UK will be exempt from social security payments for 3 years, saving costs for employers as well as employees while improving competitiveness. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in a social media post on X, has mentioned about his talk with the UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer. He further mentioned about the historic India-UK Free Trade Agreement, which is ambitious and mutually beneficial. The Prime Minister looked forward to welcoming Prime Minister Starmer to India soon. In fact, Prime Minister Modi lauded the landmark trade pact while addressing a media summit of a leading Indian conglomerate.
विश्व की दो बड़ी और ओपन मार्केट इकोनॉमी के बीच आपसी व्यापार और आर्थिक सहयोग का यह समझौता दोनों देशों के विकास में नया अध्याय जोड़ेगा। यह हमारे युवाओं के लिए बहुत बड़ी खुशखबरी है। इससे भारत में इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी को बूस्ट मिलेगा और इंडियन बिजनेसेस और एमएसएमईज के लिए नई अपॉर्चुनिटीज के रास्ते खुलेंगे। आपको पता है, कुछ ही समय पूर्व हमने यूएई, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, मॉरिशस इनके साथ भी ट्रेड एग्रीमेंट साइन किए हैं। यानी भारत आज सिर्फ रिफॉर्म से नहीं कर रहा, बल्कि दुनिया के साथ एक्टिवली एंगेज करके अपने आप को एक वाइब्रेंट ट्रेड और कॉमर्स हब बना रहा है।
As two leading democracies and global innovation hubs, India and the UK reaffirm their commitment to strengthening economic cooperation and growing together to address global challenges. The India-UK FTA sets a new benchmark for fair, ambitious and modern trade agreements worldwide. The British Prime Minister Keir Starmer has accepted the invitation to visit India from the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and Starmer's office said on Tuesday, after the leaders announced the landmark trade deal between their two countries.